Welcome back. Ever tried capturing a once-in-a-lifetime moment only to end up with a dark, muddy video? Poor lighting can turn your cherished memories into low-contrast clips that are hard to enjoy. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through some easy, budget-friendly ways to brighten your footage, boost contrast, and bring every scene to life without professional gear required. Let's dive in and make sure your most important moments shine just as you remember them. Alright, let's start with using VidHex Video Brightener. It's one of the best AI video tools that turns dark, muddy clips into bright, colorful videos with just one click. You'll see your footage go from dull to clear right before your eyes. Unlike other video editing tools, it's specially made for beginners and those non-professionals by simplifying the steps and UI. In this app, you don't need to spend extra time learning how to use it, but fully concentrate on your work. Besides the brightness and contrast function, it's also integrated with anime upscaling, frame interpolation, video denoised, and other powerful functions to perfect your videos further. Okay, so much for talking, let's see how it works. Step 1. Download and install VidHex Video Enhancer. Step 2. Click the Add Color option and find Color Enhancement. Also, if you want to improve the brightness, you can select Low Light Enhancement mode. The steps are the same. Step 3. Choose a video to upload. Step 4. You can adjust your settings here, like format, encoder, etc. Once you are done adjusting, you can preview the video or click Export All to export. Now, let's see the contrast between them. Meanwhile, there's a second method that can help you adjust the contrast and brightness of video. For those who pursue the ultimate visual effect, they can count on Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe is one of the most famous video editing tools worldwide. It can seamlessly achieve almost any of your desired effects. It, nevertheless, requires users to have a certain amount of professional experience to use. Its complicated UI and functions are definitely not friendly enough for those beginners. What's more, its power functions need robust hardware support. If your hardware is not strong enough, you might experience drop frame, blue screen, and other severe malfunctions. Anyway, if you don't have those concerns, let's drive through the steps. Step 1. Launch the Premiere Pro and upload your target video to create a new project. Step 2. Locate the effects option and you can adjust the brightness there. Step 3. In this interface, you can adjust the brightness by drag the slider or just simply entering an ideal number. Now, as you can see, the video has been successfully edited. Finally, if you want to fix clips on your phone, apps like Inshot make it super easy and free for basic use. This is perfect for TikToks, Instagram stories, or quick on-the-go edits. Inshot's mobile UI is touch-friendly, letting you drag sliders with your thumb and see changes instantly. It also offers stickers, text overlays, and quick aspect ratio presets for all major social platforms. When you need to post right away, Inshot has you covered. Step 1. Download Inshot from your App Store, then open your video. Step 2. Tap Edit, then adjust, drag sliders for brightness and contrast until you love what you see. Step 3. Hit the check mark, then save to export back to your camera roll. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to get even better results. Shoot in the flattest profile your camera offers, then add contrast in post. Always monitor your histogram to avoid clipping highlights or crushing shadows. Use adjustment layers so you can tweak later. Apply small changes gradually. Big jumps can look unnatural. Experiment with creative LUTs to find a style you love. Alright, that's it for today. You now have 3 different ways to brighten your dark videos. Pick the one that fits your workflow and hardware, and start making your memories shine. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which method you'll try first. See you in the next video.